How's it going, guys? It's Clinton and welcome to the Only Profit Academy. And today I'm going to be showing you guys myself leaving the market with profits on gold. I think we're over 130 pips in profits, and that was a 13 pips stop loss. So I'm going to go ahead and close the trade right now. Boom. There we go, guys. Left the market with $2,500, and I sent this trade to the membership area. So everybody in the membership area probably left the market with profits on this particular trade. And yeah, $2,500, and I'm going to take you guys through my account history. I know sometimes I forget to show you guys my account history, but yeah, today I have time and I'm going to take you guys through my account history so you guys can see every single trade I have taken. And in the course of let's say close to 3 months, I have made somewhere around $55,000 in profits from a $500 deposit. And yeah, that was a trade I took on Ethereum. Yeah, you can see how I've also made consistent withdrawals, consistently also making withdrawals, because that is what makes you appreciate the game. Some of you guys don't know how it feels to withdraw money you've made trading the Forex market, and that is the amount of consistency I help my students attain, being able to be consistent enough to withdraw money they have made trading the Forex market. As you can see, the numbers don't lie. I made the deposit of $500. I have made withdrawals of $123,000, and in total I've made profits of close to $56,000 on this trading account. And this is too easy. As a trader, your main objective is to understand the flow of a dynamic market. Being able to adjust to any given market condition and being able to make profits in any given market condition is what makes you an impeccable trader. And that is why I day trade and I scalp. Because the market is dynamic, the market won't be doing the same thing over and over again, and that's why I don't pay too much attention to a lot of indicators, a lot of this support and resistance, yada yada yada, because I know that these things don't work. If 99% of traders fail because they do the same things, my bad, why should it work for me? I am not special. That's one thing you guys, everybody needs to understand. Nobody's special. This is $1 trillion market. You're not going to get lucky. There are people that have way better intentions and for the money for the profits they intend to make than you. If it's not working for them, why should it work for you? Until you understand how I trade the market, you'll still be in a limbo that 99% of traders find themselves in. Limbo of being able to figure out how to trade like the banks and the top 1%. And with the amount of consistency you have seen on this trading account, you can tell for a fact that I actually do make money consistently trading the Forex market. And I know some of you always think that I'm considered or I'm just like some sort of a show off or something. No, this took time, this took persistence. This took actually applying things that I have learned. I have said this, the most effective and the easiest way to trade is just focusing on the things that work. If something is not, you cannot force your trading system on the market. So what I'm going to do is, like, someone on board and I want to do a giveaway. I want to do a $25,000 giveaway. So I'm going to be giving out $5,000 to 5 students. So the next 5 students that get the diamond membership, I'm going to give them a $5,000 live trading account each, and I am also going to trade with them for a whole week. Yes, so that they can be able to make at least 50% in a week trading with me live. Come on. Too easy, obviously. And you can go back to previous videos and see the level of consistency that I have been showing on this channel, and this is the level of consistency that I help my students attain. And like I said, I day trade and I scalp because I understand the market is dynamic. The market is not always going to be doing the same thing over and over again. I have nothing against swing traders, but we've all been in that situation where, especially when you're swing trading, you could be 100 pips in profits a day, and if you're not even smart enough to bring it back to break even, the market just comes back to your to your entry, probably hits your stop loss if you're not smart enough to bring it to break even, and just goes in the opposite direction. And that's because the market is dynamic. You have to be able to adapt to any given market condition. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my FXBook before I show you the consistency. I was also able to my consistency scalping the market, because I realized I don't show you guys a lot of scalp trades, and I'm going to show you guys. I was just scalping for about 3 days, and I'm just going to show you like a couple of scalps I took and how many of them hit take profit, how many of them came back to break even. And if you want to copy my trades, just connect your live trading account to my trading account and make money effortlessly and leave the market with profits with myself and the team. You can send me a message if you want to buy the course, learn how I trade, how I look at the market. You can visit the website, and if you want to get access to the membership area, just get access to signals that I give out. I think I give out like maybe 3 to 4 signals a week, because as you can see, even when you look at my account history, you can see what you will notice is that I do not take a lot of trades, but I take the most profitable trades, looking out at minimum of 4 signals a week. And yeah, you can visit the website. So I'm going to show you guys my FXBook real quick, and I'm going to show you the progress I made scalping the market this week. So so this is my FXBook. So you can see the growth. Like I said, $23,000 worth of withdrawals, over close to $56,000 in profits, and you can see the progress like in every single trade I have taken on the account. And this is consistency at an impeccable level. At this point, not to brag or anything, I feel like I'm doing way better than the top 1%. And this took time, this took persistence, this took applying myself, because I said this in the previous video. Having access to knowledge and actually applying it are two different things. I have taught students, and within the first 3 weeks or a month, they are doing crazy numbers. They are making amazing progress. And I've taught students that 3 months into it, because they are not applying themselves, because they are really not paying attention to a lot of details, they still spend time struggling. And every time I show you guys my charts, you guys know that I do not use indicators or whatever, moving averages. I don't know whatever you guys use, but I simply look at the market for what it is, understanding the universal truth of the market, being able to follow the market to profit with the knowledge that I have applied, eliminating things that do not work, and simply just being the best trader that I can possibly be and making money. And I have said this before, this is knowledge that you can pass down to your grandkids. This is knowledge that you can pass down to generations, because this is $1 trillion market, guys. The Forex market is going to be here for years. And making $53,000, over $55,000 from a $500 deposit. And when did I start trading this account? Probably in May, and in July now. June, July, less than 3 months. This goes to show you that the only limitation you have trading the Forex market is the amount of knowledge you have access to. I want to have students that have the mindsets that they can become millionaires trading the Forex market. Not the ones that want to become millionaires overnight, obviously, depending on their account, their initial deposit. Yeah, that should also be in our consideration. But I want students to have the mindset that they can actually make millions of this. And at one point, they can manage hedge funds worth billions of dollars simply trading the Forex market. If they are patient enough, if they are persistent enough, and if they can apply themselves, they can. Anything is possible. Anything is impossible. Anything is possible. I am not Einstein of the Forex market. I'm just a simple guy that kept trying till I figure it out. And that is what I'm showing you guys right in front of you. I mean, look at this, guys. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this because some of you guys don't believe me. Some of you guys hate the messenger but love the message. But it's just the honest truth. You can see it right in front of you guys. $23,000 worth of withdrawals. Now I'm good. Yeah, $55,000 in profits from a $500 deposit. Anybody can do this. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is gonna be a bigger account actually, and I was just bored. I wasn't really feeling too well from Monday to Tuesday, and yeah, a little bit into Wednesday. So I was indoors because I've really not taken a lot of trades since the summer started because I've just been out there having fun. But I've been giving out signals in the membership area. Like I said, if you want to copy my trades, you can send me an email. So I'm going to show you the progress that I have made on accounts that I was just strictly scalping on for about 3 days. I'm going to show you the consistency. So I'm going to get back to you guys on that in a bit. What up, guys? I don't know when you guys are going to see this video, but it's Thursday here in Miami, and I'm just going over a couple of trades I took this week, scalping the Forex market, and you can see the level of consistency that I have been able to achieve scalping the market. A couple of trades came back to break even, and some of them hit take profit. And this is there are two type of trades here: the Only Profits Academy scalping method 1 and method 2. The method 1 trade aims for somewhere around 2.5 pips, and the method 2 trade is like, it's also scalping but a little bit of day trading too, because sometimes we scalp for 10 pips, sometimes it's for 40 pips, 50 pips, 60 pips, and it depends on the flow of the market. And method 2 trades are basically just buying or selling the market to a particular price where the banks are showing me that they are taking the market to. And I've been doing this for about 3 to 4 years now, trading the Forex market. So like I said, I've been able to acquire a lot of knowledge. I've been able to understand some things at an impeccable level because of my keen level of observation. And I take my time with this because I always knew that this is something that will make me money for the rest of my life as soon as I figure it out. And it's working out for me right now because I have mastered the art of scalping and perfected the arts of day trading too. So basically what you can see right here in front of you is over $23,000 worth of profits made in 3 days scalping the Forex market. And this amount of only 9% of people of men or people in America make this amount of money in general. Only 9%. And in the Forex market, some people say 5% are losers, some people say 1%, but in my opinion, I feel like 99% of traders lose their money trading. And even some of you guys that are probably watching this video right now know for a fact that you've been losing money, you've been refunding accounts, and at best you are probably just coming back to break even, or making maybe 10% every month, or making 15% every month. And this is the thing, the opposite of being great is not being a loser. The direct opposite of being great is being average, being contented with the most basic things. Why should you be perfectly okay with making 10 to 15 or maybe even 5% of your capital in a market that has trillions of dollars in circulation every fucking day? And some of you guys that even are coming back to break even or making 5% are way better than the ones that are blowing their accounts, which is most of you guys. If we're being honest, if you're making millions trading the Forex market, you probably won't be watching this video right now. So that is why I'm going to be doing a giveaway, like I mentioned earlier on. I mean, this is a way bigger account, close to almost $300,000 here right now, and I'm going to be giving out $25,000 because I said I don't want to be considered and I can do whatever I want with my money. I actually would have preferred to buy a brand new Audemars Piguet with my money, but I can still do that anyways. Yeah, I'll get the one I want, but I'll get another Audemars Piguet, but not the one I really wanted. But yeah, but I want to do something for the Forex community, and that is why I said I'm going to be giving out $25,000 to 5 students. The next 5 students, I get the one on the diamond membership, and I'm going to be trading with them live for a whole week. Also, I am going to be just going to be there every time they want, because that's the whole point of the silver, the diamond membership, being able to get access to me every time you want and be able to communicate and share your trading ideas with me. And I will just be there to tell you whether this is a good idea or not, because sometimes, honestly, I show some students some amazing things trading the Forex market, and some of them go ahead and come up with some brilliant things that wouldn't have come to my mind, and I was like, oh, this is good, this is not it, this is not going to work, and yeah, you can give this a shot or use a smaller lot size or yada. And in the grand scheme of things, guys, some of you guys be like, oh, you're trading, your course is expensive, but you have to look at it in the grand scheme of things. It's going to be like a speeding ticket, because I mean, in 3 months I made over $55,000 from a $500 account, because of the knowledge that I have access to and I have applied consistently over time. So yeah, I'm going to be rounding this video up. I don't know the order in which you guys are going to see this video, because I'm going to be recording this earlier on, because it's I did this, I stopped scalping this account on Wednesday, so I'm just going to be recording this video for you guys, and I know I'm going to take other trades along the week. On today. I'm still going to take a trade today, Thursday, and I'm probably going to take a trade on Friday. So I'm going to probably add it to other videos, because sometimes I don't want to make videos in bits. I just want to make I'm just going to make a long video combining everything, like a summary of everything I did this week, because come on, it's summer, guys. I'm having fun. I'm living my life. I'm having a very, very wonderful time here in Miami, and I don't want to be putting a lot of energy into the YouTube videos. So I'm just gonna sum everything I did up this week in one video, and I'm gonna upload it probably on Saturday or on Friday for you guys. So yeah, Clinton signing out. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, guys, have a wonderful summer ahead, and